Alrighty, guys, you saw the title. We have 5 high short interest stocks to break down in this video, all of which could be squeezing in the short term. And of course, guys, as always, these stocks are very risky. Don't be crazy and go and put all your money in a stock that is very speculative, that has high short interest. But yeah, we're going to break them down for entertainment purposes only. We're going to break down the charts and what I'm looking to do in the short term, as all of these are trades, obviously, for trades, not for long-term investments. So yeah, let's get into it. Guys, if you find value, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you want some free money from Mumu, check out the link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and you get a $30 cash reward. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get your free money, link down below, or by simply going to stocksurfest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers, let's get into it. So the first stock, which we've talked about a little bit here on the channel, is SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SOUN. Let me pull it up and show you guys. So SoundHound AI, and by the way, it's about 11 a.m. right now on the East Coast. Pretty early in the session here on Thursday. SoundHound AI is up 5%, and we can see on the charts, if I zoom in a little bit, we can see just about 10 days ago we were at $5 a share, right? We had a huge move from 5 all the way to $8 a share. So we broke out of the $6.30 resistance, which was the high from the end of October. Not only did we break out of that, which also was the high from back in the middle of July, we broke out of there, and then we filled the gap all the way to $8, and now we're right back down to about $6.30. We pulled down there. We held that old resistance as support, and now we're starting to bounce. Guys, this stock in real time, and I'll upload this video fast. You'll see it pretty soon here after I record. But this stock, man, looks really good. It really does. Up 5%. You know, we got a nice cool off here. We're a bit oversold, 23% short interest, so it's heavily shorted. This could easily, in my opinion, not guaranteed, please do your own research, but it could potentially fill this gap back to $8, $7.75, that general range. So watch out for SoundHound AI here, guys. The company just reported earnings, by the way, a couple days ago. Let me see here. It looks like GAAP EPS, they lost 6 cents. That beat the loss of 7 cents expected. Sales $25.1 million versus $23 million. All right, so they crushed revenue. They beat EPS. Looks like their guidance here is pretty good. They got it up for full year 24 revenue, which is, yeah, that's great. So, yeah, I mean, look, with a company that just double beat and got it up on revenue, for their stock to be down, it looks like we're bouncing off these, old resistances. This is a great setup. It really is. So I'm watching it. It's up over 4% today. That's stock number 1. Stock number 2 is Hertz, ticker symbol HTZ. This one's up 8% today. And this one also reported earnings, I think a couple days ago. Was that on Tuesday? Yeah, looks like they did adjusted EPS of negative 68 cents versus negative 50 cents expected. So that missed. Sales also missed, funny enough. So a double miss, 2.6 versus $2.69 billion. And isn't that weird? They double miss and their stock shoots up, and then SoundHound AI double beats, their guidance is up and their stock is down. How does that make sense? Well, that is the stock market for you guys, ladies and gentlemen, right? That's how it works. It doesn't fully make sense all the time. So Hertz has, has been heating up. You guys can see right here, obviously, since earnings, even though they double missed. and now we're at pretty much a multi-month high. Now we're breaking out of the highs from, it looks like here, the middle of September. And if I zoom in a little bit, you guys can see. So these are the gaps now that we could potentially fill, up to $4.40, up to $4.65. And by the way, now we're at $4.10. So this rally could continue potentially. Their short interest is very high, 35.9%. So keep your eyes on this momentum potentially continuing. Of course, not guaranteed. We don't know what's going to happen, guys. And if you're trading these stocks, do it with an amount of money you're willing to lose. I'm telling you, we don't know what's going to happen with these. And please do your own research. So the next one here is SPRY, ARS Pharmaceuticals. This one saw a bit of a dip after earnings. We hit 1950, it looks like, about 3 days ago. So I guess that was on Monday. We hit 1950. And now we're down to 1470. So we are down about 25% this week. Company just reported earnings. Let's see. They lost 20 cents, which missed the loss of 14 cents expected. Sales, $2.06 million versus $565,000 expected. So it is a smaller company, as a lot of these are smaller in nature. And yeah, they missed there on EPS, but they really crushed on revenues. Stock is down 25%. Uptrend is still holding. It looks like we're getting buyers coming in right above the 180 SMA here. So guys, we're up 4% today. Maybe this starts to rebound even more aggressively. We're not fully confirming that. I mean, I'm looking at the 10-day chart for that confirmation, or honestly the 5-day. I mean, look, we can see we're still kind of in this downtrend, but if we're able to break out of here, guys, you know, SPRY is the ticker symbol here. ARS Pharmaceuticals could be breaking out even further. So keep your eyes on SPRY, and let me pull up the next one here. And as I do that, guys, make sure to sign up to the email list. It's completely free. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. All you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box down below. It takes literally 20 seconds. Again, it's free, no spam, no BS, none of that. So make sure you guys sign up. So the fourth stock is LAZR, Luminar Technologies, which I do believe we did cover a couple weeks ago. Either way, this thing is breaking. Well, it broke out a couple days ago. I think it was on Monday. We went for a big ride there, 40%. We bounced on Monday into Tuesday there after the company reported earnings, and that broke us out of a multi-week resistance, multi-month, quite frankly. And zooming in a little bit here on the charts, you guys can see now we're pulling back after hitting 125. Now we're at $1.05. We have pulled back, and you guys can see here that we're holding the old resistance as support. You guys see that right here, right? Notice how, you know, $1.05 for weeks, that was resistance. Now we pull down to it. Looks like we're holding it as support. So LAZR, guys, I'm looking to see if we get another pop off of $1. If this falls through $1, though, it could easily slip back to 85, 90 cents, no doubt about it. But if it holds $1, $1.05, we get that momentum. Maybe a bigger move could be coming. LAZR, 31% short interest. Keep your eyes peeled on it, guys. Very, very interesting breakout play here. That's cooling off a bit, but it's still in breakout territory. And the last one here is AST, which is AST SpaceMobile Inc. This stock, if I zoom in a little bit on the charts, we're going to notice it's slowly starting to break out. We can see we were in this downwards channel for a good couple months from the end of August, end of August, to pretty much now, middle of November. You know, we're starting to break out after a 3-month downwards push here. We're above the moving averages now. We're popping out of the channel. And by the way, earnings are coming up for ASTS here, I think tomorrow today. Oh my gosh, today. After the bell. So that's going to be one for sure worth watching. 25.6% short interest on this one. Definitely a high short interest play here. And with earnings, man, who knows? If they get that catalyst, boom, this could easily break out further. Of course, it's not guaranteed. Do your own research, the whole 9 yards. But yeah, keep your eyes on it. Chart looks pretty good. Maybe there could be more upside here on ASTS. So, guys, with that being said, that's it for the video. Those are 5 high short interest stocks I'm watching right now for the rest of this week, and honestly, heading into next week as well. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe here on YouTube and get yourself some free stocks if you want using that Moomoo link down below. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. Guys, it's the best deal. Check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.